Taking care of our fur babies is high on my list of priorities, and I know many of you feel the same. Whether it's grooming or wellness, we want what's best. HICC Pet, based in Bellevue, has pet products that are both convenient and healthy for dogs and cats. And HICC's Nick Smith joins me now. Hello there, my friend.
Hi, Kelly. How are you?
Oh, I'm so good. I love talking about pets. Like we just said, we're both have cats,
yes,
right? We're little cat lovers. But tell me about HICC Pet. How are you guys different?
Yeah, so here at HICC, I love to say we put the pets first. Our products are natural, they're convenient. What we think about first is how do we help our pets, and then how do we help our pet owners? Because it's really difficult, and grooming sometimes can take lots of time, lots of effort, and we're here to make that process a lot easier for you.
That's amazing, and I feel like it's going to save a ton of money too, because grooming can also be very expensive. I know ingredients are really important to you, like you just mentioned, so tell me what goes into your products.
Absolutely. So in our grooming products, we start with natural fermented coconut oil. It's a very, very great substance because not only does it help to clean, but also helps to deodorize. And so when your pets love to be in your house, in your home, in your bed, you want to make sure that they smell good and they're comfortable as well. Yes. So we start with that, and then a lot of natural ingredients, really dependent upon where we're going to affect which part of the animal we're going to be cleaning.
Gosh, that's amazing. And I know you want your pets to smell good, but you also want to make sure they're nice and healthy too, and using those natural ingredients is so important. So you brought some of your most popular products, which I'm really excited to dive into because, like I said, I have a cat, Frank, shout out to you. We're starting with pet dental wipes. What are these?
So pet dental finger wipes are actually our #1 product.
Oh.
It's a very easy to utilize finger sleeve. Okay, and just like anything, we already know that putting a toothbrush into your pet's mouth can be often really difficult.
Messy.
Dogs, messy, exactly. So the whole thought behind this is you can easily put your finger in your pet's mouth. So for my cat Simba, especially, he allows me to rub our dental finger wipes on his teeth. You can utilize these every single day if you want to, just like we would ourselves, and they help to remove plaque safely and effectively.
Oh my gosh, this is so easy that it just slides on your finger here, and then you can easily just go in on your pet. I would use this every day. This is easy. Just
super
watch
easy.
TV and
get it done.
Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, I like it. Moving right along, the ear and eye wipes. So same kind of thing, I imagine, different part. What are we doing here?
Absolutely. So for our eye wipes, again, fermented coconut oil is the base. But for our pets who have eye discharge or discoloring around the eyes,
you see
this
that
product,
a lot.
essentially, it's got dead sea salt in it. Again, not for consumption, but really just for the topical use. But it really helps to effectively remove those tear stainings with concomitant use. So if you use this every single day, it'll keep your white dogs white. It'll help to remove any of that yellowy mucus, and helps to keep your pet really nice and lovely.
And the ears, you were saying too, so if you're noticing that they're kind of like itching at your ears, something like this product would be good?
Absolutely. So the Pet Ear Relief Finger Wipes, I would say this is probably one of the most effective and funnest things you can use, because typically cleaning your ears is pretty dirty and gross. You've got yourself a big lab and they've got big floppy ears. These actually just allow you to safely enter into the ear canal. Remove any dirt. There's a smooth side as well as a rough side, so if it's a little more vicious, you can remove any of that material. And then, because it's gross, we make it, and the innovation comes where you can just slip this off your finger, throw it right in the trash.
Amazing. Moving right along, grooming gloves. I'm very excited about this. What's this?
So these are our deodorized pet gloves. Now, we're the first company to put a waterless bath in a glove format. So you have to think about in between grooming, after they've come back and they're all luscious and they feel great. Well, what happens 2 weeks later, especially here in the Northwest, you want to take your dog hiking. My cat Simba, who is a great caregiver of himself, he needs to get some of that extra help too. And so you can put one of these gloves on and you can rub the pet's entire body from the tip of the nose to the tip of their tail. It's got enough moisture in there that it will remove any extra dirt, fermented coconut oil, it's got lanolin.
I know, it smells
it'll
good.
have a Kaleido oatmeal, so once your pet is done being groomed, it's also going to help to nourish the fur, and so it's going to have that nice, luxurious, soft feel afterwards.
This is so amazing to have during grooming, because even grooming a cat is expensive, and I know all my friends with dogs complain about that. This is great in between uses. Okay, and it smells good.
It smells wonderful.
And last, we have skin spray. Why do pets need this?
So this is probably one of the most underutilized products that we have. Hypochlorous acid, if you take your dog out hiking and they get a scratch, or if they've got hot spots, or if they've got acne, if your cat gets into a little scuffle and it has little scratches on them, we need to be able to keep the area clean. And this hypochlorous acid spray, you can utilize it as much as you want. It'll help to keep the wound moist and help to hopefully remedy the scratch or the hot spots faster.
Amazing. Tell me about Petpalooza happening too in Auburn.
So Petpalooza, it's a really fun, pet-friendly, family-friendly event that's happening this Saturday. There'll be a lot of dogs there. There's a 5K race, and there'll be a number of different vendors here. We are going to be there giving away free products so that you can try them at home before you purchase them and have an experience.
And really fast, where can people find these products?
So you can find us through Chewy.com, Walmart.com, Petco.com, or through our website at www.hiccpet.com.
This was so much fun. You have made my life so much easier as a pet owner.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much as well.
And remember, you can find all of these products, like Nick just said, at Chewy, Petco, Walmart, or at HICC Pet's website.
This portion of New Day Northwest is sponsored by HICC Pet.